Publix haul, Publix heist for the week. Oops, I did it again. Yeah, so the voice talent is definitely not there, but the free, well, paid to shop again this week is. This is the second time I went this week. This is $67.49 worth of goods, and it's all said and done. They paid me $1.77. So got some protein mix, I got some kombucha, I got some pesto, I got some tomato paste, silk yogurt alternative, Yakult yogurt, children's Dimetap, Maille mustard. Got some Revlon nail clippers and some gum children toothpaste. And yes, this was the kicker. That's how I saved. I got $10 off my whole thing before coupons. All the links are in the details below. I use digital coupons. I use manufacturer coupons. I use ibotta, and I use Checkout 51. Well, today's December 22nd, so these will all be good till December 24th. Most of them will be good till the end of the year. So, please like and subscribe to my channel so you can get these videos coming in right as the deal drops. All the links are right here where you can print the coupons and what insert I got them from. So once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. More cool information right here. Every single time I've been paid to shop since I posted these videos in the last, I guess, 3 months, and I can go back years and years, and pretty much every single time I'm paid to shop.